Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday morning. I'm getting ready to do a makeup tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to start with my Mary Kay Bronze 500 medium coverage. And I've got some right on the back of my hands here. And so I'm going to try to do this video one-handed. Let's see. You can see I have like sunspots, which I really hate those sunspots, but what can you do? And I had purchased one of those coverage stuff for that, and it just didn't work. Guess I got the wrong color. It made my skin look kind of like reddish. So I just used this one and then just got the whole thing done. Hit my grays peeking through. And then I've got these dark spots from my eyewear, my glasses. I just hate that. So I've got some more up here. I mean, just a little more. I'm running out. Thank God I bought I bought some more. And it's hyperallergenic. I like the Mary Kay product because it has no smell to it. I do use, there's another one I use. What's the name of it? It's called, oh gosh, I can't remember it now, but I do use another one in the summertime. It's a little darker. So in the summertime I use that one because it gets a better coverage, but in summertime you get a little darker. So you need a little darker coverage. And I end up using it all the way into the winter time, and then all of a sudden you could tell it's a shade too dark, and so then I switch back over to the Mary Kay product. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows, and I can't do it with me holding this camera here. Okay guys, I'm back, and I'm using the Perfect Brow Dual Pencil by JCats. And when I use the black one, it just doesn't look right. I'm gonna try to do this in this camera. I'm not sure if it's gonna come out right. All right, so I'll be right back, but that's the gist of it. Okay, I got my eyebrows done and pretty much my hair. So let's continue with this. I had a phone call. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so I do have this Mary Kay Bronze One powder that I'll put on afterwards. But the next thing I'm gonna do, well, I should put my lip gloss on because I like to do that. I put many things on my lips. One of them is this Mary Kay extra emollient cream. If you have extremely dry skin, you can use it for that. I used to have to use it. Work with one hand here, guys. And let's see. So pretty much I just put a little bit on my finger. Sorry about that glare. And put on my lips because I have extremely dry lips. And then I don't know why when I buy lip glosses, I'm always sticking to the same color. Got this one here, but it's a little shimmery, so I'm not gonna do that one. Then I got another little shimmery one I'm not gonna do. But because I think I'm gonna wear red lipstick because I'm wearing blue. today. So I usually like to wear red lipstick with that. But for my eyes, I have just had the worst allergy time with my eyes and just haven't been able to wear my eyeliner. But I've got I had picked this up, I think it was in Belle's. It's called Celestial Rose Eyeshadow Collection. So, got a couple of colors in here that I like. Get this open. Okay, so these are the colors I have. And I think I'm going to stick to that light color. I usually like to wear pink when I wear blue. So I think I'm going to put a couple of these pink ones on. Let's see, first I'm going to try the lightest pink. And put it over my eyes here. Put a little bit. And then I'm going to get the darker pink. Put it here. And I'm using this brush. Someone told me to go to the local honey place here in Orlando and get some honey and start taking it because it'll help me with the allergies and the pollen and all that stuff. So I might do that because the minute I get out of my place, I have the hardest time. My eyes start running water and stuff, and it's just a nightmare. All the makeup I've put on, including my eye shadows, it's like I'm wiping it off with the paper towel, the Kleenex and stuff. Just not good at all. Yeah, so all right, I think I got enough stuff on my face. Ooh, getting a little dark in here. I gotta turn on some more lights. Let's see. Help. So let me get the powder open. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. I hope I didn't mess that stuff up because I have a feeling I was talking, I was putting this powder on and wasn't recording. So let's just dip into it one more time just in case. All right, so that's the bronze powder. And put it on and it pretty much just blends right in. You can put as much as you want. I'm always trying to get rid of those little spots right there. Put too much. It blends right in. And I also use this Missy Lynn case that didn't get recorded before. I use that white portion there to highlight my nose. That's the only highlighting I do right there. And then next, from that same Miss Lynn, you see this right there? That's almost done. I use that and or the brown one for my cheeks. I'm gonna use a little bit of that dark pink one. Just highlight a little bit there. I'm running out of that, but I really like that. All right, and then I've got this Pixie lipstick set and I really love it. It is the smoothest thing to put on. And let me see which one I'm going to use today. I feel like I should use a different brand of lipstick today. Let me go get my other lip set because I'm looking for a deeper rose color. Let me see what this one looks like. Let me get into the burgundy one. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Now I just have to wash my hands and find that brush of mine. I don't know what I did with it yesterday. I don't know. Oh, here it is. I found it. All right. A little brush here. And just brush it a little bit. Get a little sloppy hair. And I just kind of, this is the Jackpot unit. And it is my favorite. It is one of my favorite. Yeah. I love the back. There. Yeah, I wish I could put my eyeliner on, but it's just gonna come right off. So this is it, girls. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Good morning, everyone. Good morning again. I know I said it before, but hope you enjoyed my makeup tutorial. I'm fully dressed now, and I am ready to get out the door and go to work. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I plan on doing a lot more of the makeup tutorial. And if you want to see that, then get notified, okay? Have a fantastic Tuesday, everyone. Bye-bye.